Greetings, my name is Christopher McClung, and this is my understanding or my reflection of the first segment of digital literacy. So, digital literacy is a couple of things. The first is it means to think critically about the information that you are getting online. Some of it can't be trusted, therefore, you just really see what you read and then really disseminate whether or not it is true, not true, and again kind of think critically about it. It's also the ability to evolve with technology. One of the videos we watched in this it showed how people read. They started by reading newspapers and then books and all that stuff, and it's evolved to now reading online, reading internets and on your phone and whatnot. And so it's being able to access the information and evolve as the technology evolves. Also, as accessing and weighing data and its relevance. So again, there's a lot of data out there, and so as you receive data, being able to kind of look at it and determining if it's relevant, if it's not relevant, and if it's even too dated, if it's too old and it doesn't apply anymore. After the pandemic, does the information prior to the pandemic, as far as education, does it really pertain to information after the pandemic, and what will that look like? So again, being able to weigh the data and its relevance, and then also being able to have a discussion and even an argument about the data, being able to look at the data, discussing it openly and say, this is what the data is showing us, this is what the data says, and then being able to have some informed critical decision about what has been read, what is statistically being showed, and again, just kind of being able to discuss those things and share, the relevance of it. And I said, at times you might even need to argue points based on what the research and the data has shown. And then lastly, looking at data and being able to find issues or a bias in data resulting in further research or questions. So personally, I am in a program for my administrative credential, and in that we've learned to kind of look at the data of schools, kind of being able to find some holes within the data that's at a school site, and being able to determine what are some programs or what are some resources available to kind of plug some of those holes in, and utilizing the data to tell the story and figure out what is needed, what's working well, and what are some areas where some more stuff is needed. So, and again, being able to ask questions once you've kind of looked at that data. So that's from what I understand about what digital literacy is, and I look forward to learning more about it. Thank you.